In the world of data, power is king. And where does this power reside? In data centers. But managing power in these behemoth structures is an art in itself. From controlling energy usage to maintaining optimal temperatures, it's a continuous dance of precision and balance. Enter Zion Tech Group. They're the maestros conducting this complex orchestra. From maintenance to support, they've got data centers covered globally. Think of them as the unsung heroes, ensuring your servers, storages, and network equipment hum along smoothly. But their repertoire doesn't stop there. They're also experts in tape libraries and other equipment. So whether you're a sports fanatic streaming the latest game or a tech enthusiast, rest assured you're in good hands. To stay updated on all things data center, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. And don't hold back on sharing the love with your friends, colleagues, and family. For more about what they do, visit www.ziontechgroup.com. Remember, in the realm of data, Zion Tech Group is your power management guru.